Well, y'all, update, the plows finally came by, so I just want y'all to see exactly what happens when you get 18 inches of snow piled up and then the plows come by. Yeah, that's the end of our driveway. That's their driveway over there. So I am like 5'6", and this literally is coming up to my waist. Oh my God, you guys. This is just like insanity. I don't know. The plows are over there. See, they're just now cleaning our street. It's been 2 days. So I'm out here in solidarity with Ramon because he's gonna come and blow the driveway out so I can actually get out for work tomorrow. But yeah, that is currently the end of our driveway. So we'll see. Well, there he goes, folks, with his little Troy-built snowblower. He's gonna try and get this driveway knocked out. I don't know. We'll see. I don't have high hopes. He's on his way. Trying to get through that mess. So, I don't know if y'all can see, but the snow is actually higher than the snowblower can actually reach, so it's gonna be a process. Plows are still going. And you can see how hardly compacted that snow is. Like, he's fighting to get it through. Working away. Got one spot open. He'll get it. I'm not worried.